Now, In the Club, his biggest song, right? Well, In the Club, everybody heard him from there. It's kind of ironic. Okay, he started with water, but he also was heavy in the spirits industry. So Beat Suntory has a vodka line called F. And they partnered with 50 Cent, and within a year, they had over triple-digit sales increase. He's also a product creator, as I said, so what you see here is a special design bottle, football-inspired, 50 Cent signature, 50 Cent's logo. So as you think about all of this information as entrepreneurs, you want to think about, wow, how can I differentiate? How can I think like 50 and utilize some of these methodologies within my own product? So he didn't like the terms. He's a person that wants equity, right? I talked about that with Vitamin Water. And he was like, I'm doing all this work for effing. You guys are going to make a lot of money. You saw I doubled your sales. So he wanted a different share. That didn't work. He said he got compensated $60 million, but now he's going it alone. And if you follow him on social media, you will notice that he's promoting Branson, vodka, and his champagne line. Then he created a company, Sire Spirits, named after his son, his youngest son.